Hi there, I'm Daniel and I'm the product manager of the network tools on Pentest-Tools.com. Today I want to give you a brief overview of how our network scanner works. Right now, Network Vulnerability Scanner has 4 scanning engines: version-based, OpenVAS, Sniper, and Nuclei. When we rebuilt our Network Vulnerability Scanner from scratch in 2021, we focused on speed, high coverage, and low false positives. The first scanning engine, OpenVAS, uses the full and fast scanning policy. This means it uses the majority of the MVTs and it's optimized to use the information collected by the previous plugins. The second scanning engine, the version-based one, uses the service detection reported by Nmap. The network scanner then interrogates a database with known vulnerabilities to see if any issues affect the specific versions of the services. The third scanning engine is the one from Sniper Auto Exploiter. This includes over 100 custom modules which our team developed for high-risk CVEs. Taking things a step further, we've also just integrated Nuclei as a 4th scanning engine. This means network scans are now even faster and get even more results, especially for vulnerabilities in widely used software. For the Nuclei integration, we configured the engine to only use network-related templates. This means that only the templates with CVE, CMVD, network, DNS, SSL, and WAF tags are included. For the full list of templates configured, check our support articles linked in the description. All the 4 scanning engines complement each other, which gives you more detection power through a single scan. When there is an overlap in detection, the network scanner ensures the discovered vulnerability is real and not a false positive. Our team of 10 constantly upgrades the capabilities of our network scanner. Stay tuned for more updates each month.